Today's topic, nitrogen cycle. The nitrogen cycle moves nitrogen between the air, the soil, into living things, and back into the air or the soil. We have nitrogen everywhere. 78% of our atmosphere is made of nitrogen, and we can't use any of it. It's in a molecular structure that doesn't react with anything. So we need help because we need the nitrogen. That help is called nitrogen fixation. There are two ways for nitrogen to get fixed. The first one is for symbiotic bacteria to change nitrogen into a usable form. Those bacteria live in the soil or they live on nodules or bumps on legumes. A legume is like clovers, peas, beans, peanuts, those kinds of plants. Look at the red circle. That's a picture of a nodule on one of these legumes, and it's filled with bacteria trying to change nitrogen into a form the plant can use to help it grow. The other way nitrogen can get fixed is by lightning. Lightning is a powerful enough energy source that it will break the bonds holding the nitrogen molecule together into separate nitrogen atoms so that they can react with other things, like hydrogen and water, to make something that our bodies and plants' bodies are able to use. So here's our diagram of a nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen is actually used to make amino acids, which are used to make proteins, and it's also used to make DNA. So if you don't have the right kind of nitrogen, or enough of it, you can't grow. So we have animals and plants die and release nitrogen back into the soil. Plants use the fixed nitrogen from the bacteria from the atmosphere and the soil to help them grow, which the animals then eat. Decomposers break down the waste and the organisms that die. Some of the bacteria in the soil will release that nitrogen back into the air, not just changing it into formats for plants and animals to use. Here's another diagram that goes into a little more detail, going into all of the pieces and parts of how nitrogen is fixed and what kinds of compounds it makes. Remember, a detritivore is an organism that consumes detritus, or dead organisms, or debris that's organic from the soil, like dead plants, leaves and stuff that have come off the trees, and dead animals. Here are the citations for all of the wonderful pictures you got to see today. Have a great day.